So what we've found with our Learning Resource Center is they are the perfect partner on campus for working with AVID for higher education because they are so supportive to students outside of the classroom. And if students are given a certain philosophy in the classroom, and then it's also supported in the Learning Resource Center, this continuity actually is of huge benefit to the students. The leadership for the LRC has actually focused on professional development for those tutors. We actually have faculty trained in the Socratic tutoring method. All tutors are, but we also have faculty that are in the center every day, and we have faculty that will put their office hours in the Learning Resource Center.
AVID has changed our approach to tutoring. We know that we have to serve students where they are, and that means coming right out of high school or coming back to do some retraining. Math and English are two of the subjects that we know that students need extra support in. So we've adopted the Socratic tutoring model for AVID. So that means that students need to be engaged. They just can't come and say, I don't know how to do math. They need to use the CASA's levels of questioning to explain and really reflect on what is giving them trouble. And then the tutors, instead of reteaching the material, will ask probing questions and help the students figure out those answers. Having tutors also allows students beyond the first year experience to be integrated into the campus and provides leadership opportunities for students beyond that first year, which helps, again, keep them engaged, a vital part of the campus, and they build resume skills for either going directly into the workforce or going on to a four-year degree. So the tutoring model has definitely changed as a result of having AVID on our campus.